Hello, I hope you all are fine. What are you doing now? I'm here for practicing again, and I'm fine, Alhamdulillah. So I think I hope that you people of DSB group, you student of DSB group, all are practicing here seriously, because this DSB group is for our study, our basic skill, and if you are active here, then inshallah one day we will be able to success means we will be able to make our basic skill strong. So and I'm here, and I like to read 100 posts here every day. So today I finished my 100 post like every day, and so I like to read from every post. In every post from this big group, I can learn a lot of things. So and I today I finished 100 post, and there are a lot of important posts from of important topic, and those topics are really helpful for me. So and I also write post here in this DSP group. So and yes, I today I read a topic today I read a topic from Google. So that thing is greedy people. It's not right to be a greedy person. Greedy person never can be educated, and greedy people never can. Greedy people are not good, and I'm also not greedy. I all the time avoid that kind of people. I think that we have to be honest in our life. Honesty gives us peace, and we can be happy if we are honest. So we never should be greedy. If we want to get real happiness in our life, we should make happy to our family. Family is a precious gift from Allah. So I think whoever family means, not only you should have father, mother, grandmother, grandfather, whoever he or she is, your husband, wife, children, sister, brother, whoever. So we should give them happiness. We should give them a few time for and we should spend some beautiful time with them. So and it gives us pleasure. That's why I also do that. I like to spend my time with my younger sister when we cook food, delicious food. Then we like to eat together, and we watch cartoon movie together. So that's why, and I love to spend my time for my study, because I have a lot of lacking in my English language and Bangla basic language. So I think that in the world, this is my opinion. I don't know what will your opinion, and that the best teacher, the best and honest teacher in the world is Rajiv Ahmed sir. So I'm feeling happy to get a guideline of Rajiv sir. So in DSP group, from DSP group, in DSP group I all the time listen to my guideline Rajiv sir, and never he gives us any guideline personally or on the message or inbox. He gives us the guideline publicly, I mean on the comment box, or by writing post. You have to if you get a guideline, get the best guideline of Rajiv sir. You have to follow him. You should read properly the post of Rajiv sir. Without read post of sir, you never can follow him. So I do that. I do that means I all the time, every time I read post of Rajiv sir, and every day I read the old post of Rajiv sir. Most of the time I like to read zero category post from zero category post, and I also read 10-minute writing post. 10-minute writing post has a lot of post with inspirational sentences that I love most. So if you people are depressed for any problem, personal problem, business problem, or any problem, then you can read 10-minute practice post written by Rajiv sir. So thank you so much. No more today. Allah Hafiz. Take care.